Morning inspiration. Uncertainty clouds your plans, but when God receives your work, clarity replaces confusion. Surrender your task this morning and let Him establish solid grounds for your steps. Morning prayer. Father, I commit this day's work to you. You establish my thoughts and guide each decision with your wisdom. Amen.
Good morning. I'm late. I'm really late. It took me a while to get myself to get up and get out of bed this morning, but I kept pushing myself to get up. And so here I am. I'm going to walk. Oh, it's going to rain, but I'm going to get it in. It feels good out here this morning. I want to thank God for another day, allow me to wake up and be in my right mind. Now, my knee is a little cranky, but gonna make it happen. I see my neighbors got a new fence on the other side. I can't wait till we get ours fixed. You know, God says that when you ask for something, you have to be patient because He's not gonna do it on your time. He's gonna do it on His time. And me, sometime I can be patient, sometime I can't. Hold on, let me straighten this out. Oh, it's a dog. So I just want to get the fence fixed, and I want to get that brick floor up at the front of my entryway in my house. I don't know why they didn't finish it. A smooth transition is better for me, and I like having smooth transition. Okay, let me switch my stick. It's a big dog. Well, it's cloudy out here this morning, y'all. It looks ugly. I know we're supposed to get some rain today, but I was hoping it'd be later on this evening that we did get it, but from the clouds, look like we're going to get it maybe an hour or two that we'll be getting it because it's real dark out here. If I'd have came walking when I was supposed to, I wouldn't have this problem. I'd already been through. But I'm up. I'm just going to go to the stop sign today, and hopefully we'll be able to go farther tomorrow. I'm glad that I pushed myself to get up because it feels good out here. You know, when you're having hot flashes, any breeze feels good, and this breeze feels really good. Well, I've been working on my thumbnails and titles on all 3 channels, and I didn't get to sleep last night until really, really late. I think it was about maybe 2, 3 before I went to sleep last night. And I really, I need to start making myself go to bed earlier. Because when my alarm clock went off, I cut it off and turned over. Then I sat there and fussed with myself a minute. I'm going to try to walk halfway to the turn. I fussed with myself about still laying in the bed. Oh, that's a big dog behind this gate. And this gate is not sturdy. So I am turning around. He just hitting the gate and it's bouncing. We're not finna fight the big dog. They always had a little dog. See, they don't let him out when I walk early in the morning. That's why I go early in the morning. I watched a video the other day of a family. A guy was outside and he was walking and he turned the corner and the fence was, older fence and had a big dog. Dog pushed the fence down and it was that a rock waller or was that a pit? It's a pit. And the pit charged the man. So the man had his stick. He was fighting him off. And he hit the dog across the nose to get the dog off of him. And he kept fighting the dog. And the owner called the police on the man for hitting the dog. Yep. Let me switch hands because the camera's crooked. The owner called the police on the man for hitting the dog with the stick. Did all that lying and said that the man let her dog out and then tried to steal it. And then when the dog started fighting him, that's when he hit him with the stick. That's what the lady told the police. But she didn't recognize that the guy had a camera on his shirt. When he walks, he films and, vlogs as he's walking to show the trees or whatever when he's walking. And he told the police that the woman was lying. The woman said, "Oh no, you tried to steal my dog." But he had his camera too, his phone that he vlogged like me, but he had a little one attached to him, to show the view in front of him. So when the officer come to the man, because the woman said he tried to steal her dog, he asked the officer, "What is the charge for filing a false police report?" And he said, "Well, they do time. They go to jail for 30, 60 days, something like that." So the guy said, "Well, get your cuffs ready." And he took his phone and rolled it back and showed how he was walking and the dog knocked the gate down and chased him. And he was defending himself from the dog. And the woman come outside and started screaming that he hit her dog. And the dog had attacked this man. So, officer in turn, because the dog bit the man, called the pound. They picked the dog up for biting the man, and they arrested the woman for filing a false claim that the man was trying to steal her dog. So that's why I carry a stick, that if any dog pops out on me, I'm going to hit them. I don't have a wood one, I have a pipe. So it'll hurt when they get to me. Because I don't play with them big dogs. Something going on because they sure all barking right now. But I'm home, and I thank you guys for the wonderful comments and the motivation to keep me walking, to get me up out of this slump I've been in. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. My goal tomorrow is when the alarm clock goes off to get up and go. So thank you all for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.